Hello, and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. So yeah, on the ETH chart here, there isn't really anything new to report. The price pushed a little higher after my last video, but we haven't broken above resistance. I don't really have a very clear 5-wave move to the upside yet, but obviously we are watching if this is now, I have to change the wave degree, oh, it's a bit strange here. If this is now the next move to the upside. We talked about the potential that this move down could have completed as a wave 4 flat correction on the 5th of July or as a wave 4 Elliott wave triangle here on Thursday it was, yeah? So different ways of counting this wave 4 correction. The purple wave count shows the triangle and the white count shows the flat correction. I talked about that in the last video, which was only made late yesterday, so no need to cover that again in detail. I think the main takeaway is that we are now watching for a reversal. The reaction to the support area has already been quite, well, noticeable. Let me go to the 30-minute chart. The reaction to the support region has been noticeable after we could identify a wave A, a wave B, and 5 waves in wave C. So the wave count was technically full, and we've been watching a trend line. Well, I've taken that off the chart now, but important is that it takes a break above $3,280 as a first indication, really, that a low has formed, okay? Because it could still be a kind of an internal wave 4 corrective rally here, which forms another low. So we need a break above that level. I don't have a clear bullish microstructure here in what I've now labeled as wave 1 to the upside. It looks more like a 3-wave move up. Absolutely it does. So we have an A, B, C in wave 1, but it could be wave 1 of a leading diagonal to the upside or so. We will have to see. Again, I'm not convinced that we've bottomed until I see a 5-wave move up that breaks above resistance. So while I'm labeling it like that, it just shows that we need to hold a higher low now in order to keep the perspective valid that we could have bottomed, but it's not like high confidence because there is no 5-wave move up. That's very important, I think. But any corrective pullback that now holds above the Thursday low that formed at 3,088, that higher low could be a wave 2, and whether that might just be wave 2 in a diagonal pattern, we would have to see, but it would keep the door open for higher prices. But bear in mind, we only have a 3-wave rally, and we have no break of resistance yet. So I'm just watching this now in terms of which levels should ideally hold. So in the wave 2 now, we should hold above 3,130. Okay, that's the 78.6 retracement with additional Fibonacci support at 3,200, 3,181, and 3,160. But I'll take that off the chart. I don't find that a good setup. The main support region remains relevant again. Anybody who wanted to add a position ideally did that already in the yellow box. So I'm just watching. The thing is, this is only 3 waves up, so it's not high confidence that we've actually bottomed. It would be clearer with a 5-wave move up of this wave degree, or all 5 waves completed. I mean, then we're already up there, likely 3,500 or so. But first of all, I think what is important today is to watch if pullbacks are corrective in nature, which means ABC structures, and if they hold above the Thursday low. That's really everything there is. Any break above 3,280, and I've just adjusted that slightly, it's actually, yeah, pretty much 3,280, a little bit below that. But any break above that level would indicate indeed that we've bottomed. At least it would be an indication. It would still take a 5-wave move to develop, which I can't see at this stage. So not much more to add really for Ethereum. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.